I'm the new nurse injector here at RejuvenationMD. Today we're going to be doing some Botox on our lovely patient who has been getting Botox for a while now. So we're just doing some maintenance today. So we're going to start with her eyes, which is the crow's feet. Get a little poke, okay? You doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect. Okay, we're gonna do the glabella now, which is those like frown lines that we got that we call the 11s. And nobody likes them. It makes you look like you're angry. So, little poke, okay? Okay, I'm gonna go above your brow. Perfect, so we'll do the other side. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do your little funny lines, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. We'll do the rest of the Botox in your chin and your lip. There you go, you love it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, all done.
Okay.
Good job.